Hello students, welcome to the session on RDBMS. In our today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the multimedia databases. Okay, multimedia databases are the databases that contains what that they allow the data management operations which will be performed on multimedia data. Multimedia data means what ma? The traditional data it fall under the category like text and numbers. See, if you are having data which is related to text and numbers, then it is nothing but a traditional data. If you are having a data which is called as image, which is called as audio, which is called as some what I'll say video clips. Okay, if you are having that kind of information in your database, then it is nothing but a multimedia database. Increasingly, see this here, in our day-to-day life we will be using so many applications. In our applications we do have multimedia data, not only your traditional data which will be consisting text and numerics, but also will be having like images, videos which will be on your web pages, right, which will be on your applications. And these particular multimedia database will help us in order to get that particular data in your databases. I can say multimedia databases increasingly deal with the issues related with managing multimedia database. Means to say that in order to handle the data which is consisting some multimedia kind of databases, for that particular reason we will be using what multimedia databases. Commonly these databases that manages images, audios, videos in addition to the metadata related to these particular alphanumerical information. Means to say that apart from your traditional database also we will be managing the data which is relating your images, audios, videos, I can say, right. When databases contains only one or one of the images, audio or video, then they are called as what? Image databases, audio databases, video databases respectively, if it is containing them, right. And it contains a style of containing the data within it, where it will be managing the data by having all these particular data. Okay, now content of multimedia database management system is, see here, media data. Media data is what? The actual data representing an object. The data which represents an object is called as what? Media data, what it is consisting. Okay, and media format is information such as sampling rate, resolution, encoding schema, and in which format you are going to store that particular data, that will be there in your media format data, I can say. Okay, in what manner you are encrypting it, in what manner you are decrypting it, encoding it, okay, how you are processing that, it will be there in your media format data. And media keyword data is what you are going to store in that particular databases, and at what time, at what date, at what place that particular data has been recorded. Those will be there in your keyword data, I can say. Okay, now we'll go for the media feature data. It contains the dependent data such as description of the colors, kinds, textures, and different kind of shapes that are present in your data, or as the things that you have used in your databases, that will be there in your media feature data. Means to say that if you are having images, what those images represent. If you are having video, what it is representing. If you are having shapes, different kind of shapes that you are going to use, if it is there, then what it is representing. All these things fall under media feature data. Okay, modeling. Here in this modeling we will be improving what? Database versus information retrieval. Means to say that how you have to design your database, such a you have to design that in such a manner that it should be easily accessed, and it should contain some retrieval techniques where it will be easily retrieving the information from your databases. That is what it means is. And the design is the conceptual and logical and physical design of the multimedia databases has not yet been addressed fully, as performance and tuning issues at each level are far more complex, as they consist of variety of formats like JPEG, GIF, PNG, MPEG, MP4, whatever it is. Already I told you people, multimedia data will contain the data like video, audio and images. See, when it is containing different kind of data, they will be having different formats also within it. Okay, so that kind of issues will be discussed in the case of design. Okay, and the storage of multimedia databases, it can be done on any standard disk. Okay, present on the problem of representation and compression means to say that in what manner you can compress the data, in what manner you can represent them in your data storage, that will be taken care by your storage devices. And the performance is for an application involving video playback or audio video synchronization, physically limitations dominate. Means to say that sometimes you people might have seen this on the internet, that if you are playing a video will move faster than your audio. First video will be played and then later on you people will be listening to the audio, correct? That kind of issues will arise when you are going to handle your multimedia databases. When they are parallel, when they are running equally, when they are running simultaneously, then it will be having a good bandwidth within them. Okay, that kind of issues will be there. And queries and retrieval, you see, multimedia database will contain image, audio, video that has to be accessed when a user clicks onto that particular information. So in order to execute it, every query equation or every query that has to be involved in all these particular domains like images, videos, audios, every query execution and optimization which need to be worked upon it. That query need to work on image, need to work on video, need to work on text, need to work on numbers. All these things should be taken care when you are going for multimedia database. These are the contents of your multimedia database management systems, I can say. If you are considering all these in your multimedia database, then I can say you people can build a good multimedia database design, I can say. This is how we will be having the multimedia databases and what are the components that we will see in our next lecture. Okay, I hope introduction you people might have understood about the multimedia database. You people can receive this question also in your externals, so kindly refer this particular video so that it will be benefitable for you people when you are going for the examination. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Thank you.